is Jackie and I'm going to introduce Step into English initial sound number 5. A, j, qu, r, x, z. A, udder. A cow has an udder to produce milk. Umbrella. She walks with an umbrella in the rain. Umpire. Who is going to be the umpire in the game? Under. There is a squirrel under the tree. Underwear. He puts on underwear after taking a shower. Up. Please hang the picture up. Jet. The jet is very fast. Jug. May I have a jug of milk? Jeep. The jeep can go up the mountain. Jelly beans. How many jelly beans did you eat? Jigsaw. This is a jigsaw puzzle of a jet. Jump. The fox can jump over the fence. Quail. The quail is a beautiful bird. Queen. The king's wife is the queen. Quilt. I sleep in a quilt when it is cold. Rabbit. The rabbit ran under the rainbow. Rainbow. The rainbow has many colors. Rake. Use a rake to clean up the leaves. Rocket. The rocket can go into space. Rod. I use a rod to catch fish. Ruler. The ruler is used to measure. X-ray. This X-ray is a picture of my bones. Xylophone. The xylophone is a beautiful instrument. Zebra. A zebra looks like a striped horse. 0. The first number is 0. Zipper. Pull up your zipper on your coat.